Hi everyone, it's Shirley and welcome to my channel. So I just came back from 2.5 weeks in Europe. I feel that the best way to travel is to pack light and with only one carry-on. Hear me out. You don't want to be hauling heavy luggage through the cobblestone streets of Europe, through all the bus stations, subways, airports, especially if you're visiting multiple cities, multiple countries, when you're waking up at ungodly hours to take the train to really maximize the time spent in each city. You don't want to be hauling around a checked-in bag, not to mention it is physically taxing on the body. Whereas if you just bring one carry-on luggage and one personal item, it cuts down all the stress so you can have a smoother commute to each destination and you can focus more on being present and enjoying your trip. So I was in Europe from September 7th to September 24th. I went from California, landed in London, took the train to Paris, took a flight to Venice, took a train to Rome, took another train to Florence, took a flight to Barcelona, and then took a flight back home. So I've done it, and I can tell you that packing just one carry-on is totally possible. And once you master how to pack a carry-on for any trip, no matter how long it is, it'll be such a game changer, trust me. The last thing you want to do is lose your check bag. I'm kind of paranoid that way, so I like to have everything with me in the plane, so I'm here to help. And one of the most important things when it comes to traveling is picking out the right luggage. First off, you want to carry on luggage that is lightweight but still durable. Look for a standard size luggage that will fit in the cabin. Each airline has different requirements and limitations, so definitely check before your trip. Also, finding a spacious luggage was important for me, which is why I was super excited to try Level 8's Voyager carry-on luggage. This was the luggage that I never knew I needed. This video is in collaboration with Level 8. The exterior is made of German-made Macrolon polycarbonate construction, which is light yet durable. It has a micro diamond finish for a refined, resilient exterior. I got the Voyager carry-on in the 20-inch size and the color Celadon, which is one of the limited edition colors. It's like a light blue gray color. It's really pretty and aesthetic. I love how stylish this luggage is. It's definitely an eye catcher. I noticed some people staring at it as I was traveling. So at first glance, it looks like a normal carry-on until you lift the handle. It is a wide handle that is basically the width of the luggage. And this was very new to me. I've never seen something like this before, but it is functional and serves a purpose. The wide handle is ergonomic and very stable. I find that with the skinny handles, it tends to topple over when I pull it behind me, but this wide handle makes traversing from place to place super easy. And because of this wide trolley system, it allows for more space in your luggage, which is my favorite part of this carry-on and why I decided to choose it. The wide handles run along the side of the luggage instead of in the middle of the luggage. So you have a lot more space. In traditional luggages, there's usually like a groove where the handles are. It's like bumpy, hard to fit things in there. But because of the wide trolley system, you have all of this space. And the luggage features an interior compression system. You can tuck things in neatly and securely and fit more than you think. There's two compartments in the luggage with dual zipper pockets. There's a wet-dry pocket and then a normal pocket for everything else. I really like that there's a wet-dry separation pocket. This is where I keep things that might be wet still, like my toothbrush, toothpaste, my contacts, contact lens cases, anything that might still be wet that I don't want to touch other things. It really keeps everything organized and clean. If there's any dirty laundry, I'll also put it in that pocket just to keep everything separated. The compartments are expansive so you can fit in all your essentials. The luggage comes with a TSA-approved lock built in. A lock is crucial, especially when you're traveling to a foreign country. You have to take that extra precaution and keep all of your belongings safe and secure. I love that it's built in. You can set your own combination. The two zippers go into the holes and you can lock and unlock the luggage with the combination of your choice. I also want to say that the wheels in this luggage are so smooth. I can't stress enough how uneven the streets were in Europe, and this luggage did so well, held up so well through all the cobblestones, all the cracks, uneven pavement, up hills. It features 360-degree spinner wheels and they are like butter. I was just cruising along through the streets of Europe, through the train stations and airports with no problems. It was so seamless. This luggage was such a game changer for me and checked all my boxes. It's lightweight, durable, has a built-in TSA lock, it's stable and ergonomic, it has a ton of space and storage, and it looks good when you're out and about. Can't get any better than that. If you're interested in checking out Level 8's Voyager carry-on luggage, I will leave the link down below, and you can get 10% off your purchase with my code Shirlesque10. If you've been looking to upgrade your luggage, this is the perfect time. Or if you have a friend who loves to travel and you want to give them a new luggage, I got you. All right, let's move on to the packing tips. Be extremely practical when you're packing. Before you put it into your luggage, ask yourself, do I really need this? Am I really gonna wear this item? Or am I really gonna use this makeup, beauty, hair product. Clothes are probably the most difficult thing to pack because you don't want to be unprepared and underpack, but you also don't want to overpack things that you most likely will not touch. I've been very inspired by Christina Mikas's videos, and she emphasizes packing your style and not outfits. So don't think of it as like the number of outfits that you can pack. Think of it as combinations that will go well together. Different clothing pieces that you can mix and match. Pack versatile pieces that go well together. I like to pack neutral pieces because that's just what I gravitate towards, what I like to wear, but feel free to wear any kind of color combinations that you like, bold colors, different patterns and prints. This is just a guide and not like a rule book that you have to follow. My style is like minimal, comfy, and chic. I am trying to build my capsule wardrobe. That's why I'm not showing like all the clothes that I packed and outfits that can be worn. If you are interested in seeing what I wear to Europe or what I would wear for travel, do let me know and I would love to film that for you. You want to be like clever with your pieces. A black mini dress can also serve as a black skirt if you wear something over it, right? So I packed a black mini dress. I wore it out sometimes by itself. Sometimes I would wear a button up over it or a t-shirt over it, and that's like a different look. You can never go wrong with t-shirts and tank tops. They literally go with everything. Jeans, skirts, shorts. Also be sure to check the weather before you go, just so you're prepared. I only brought 2 pieces of outerwear on this trip, which was a brown blazer and a white button down, and a layering piece, which was a white knit sweater. And I feel that I could have brought like another jacket for sure. I definitely had room in my luggage because I packed so light. So bring different layering pieces. You can bring different sweaters, vests, cardigans, different jackets, coats, depending on the weather. So I was in Europe from September 7th to September 24th, and the weather was definitely interesting. I remember in London, there was one day where it hailed, and I did not expect that. Luckily, we checked the weather before, so I packed a small umbrella and also rain boots. I only packed 2 pairs of shoes, 1 pair of sneakers, and rain boots. One that's heavy duty for the weather, and another one that's comfy, casual for days where we're doing a lot of walking. And honestly, when you're traveling, comfort over everything. The last thing I want to worry about when I'm traveling is how uncomfortable I am and how much my feet hurt. I wear my bulkiest outfit at the airport. So in this case, I wore a tank top with a t-shirt with a sweater and a blazer on top, and for my bottoms I wore my really thick denim jeans and my Chelsea boots. And because I packed very minimally for my luggage, I still have room to put these bulkier items in there if I wanted to or if I needed to, but for the airport and stuff, this is what I'm wearing. And even though I'm wearing jeans, I still feel very comfortable. Be prepared to repeat outfits and maximizing all the clothing pieces in your luggage. I am a serial outfit repeater and I'm not ashamed of it. Also be prepared to do laundry on your trip. If you don't have a washer and dryer in your hotel or wherever you're staying, you can wash it in the shower or sink and hang it up to dry. That's what we did, especially for socks and underwear, and that was enough for the whole trip. Of course, you can pack extra underwear and socks if you want. I love anything packable, so like ultra light down jackets that you can fold into like a tiny blob and just shove it in your suitcase is perfect, and it'll keep you warm for the colder days. Also like packable bags. I always look for nylon bags. They're super lightweight. You can really fold them down to a small size, put them anywhere. For my toiletries and stuff, I just fit it in this one bag. This has all my makeup, skincare, hair and body products. Pack multi-use products. So lipstick can act as a blush, as an eyeshadow as well. Dark eyeshadow can act as an eyeliner and a brow powder. You can really be creative with it. Also, if you're sharing products with other people, you can make them carry it. So for things like toothpaste, body sunscreen, face cleanser, that was shared between us, so I made my brother hold it because he had more room in his luggage. For items that you can share, divide it among yourselves. Don't bring your own if you don't have to. For my makeup, I downsized a lot because also when I'm traveling, I want to get ready quickly in the morning. And this goes in my personal item, which is this Longchamp nylon bag, just because in case TSA needs to like look at it, I don't have to take it out of my luggage and go through that hassle. You just take it out of here if anything goes wrong. Also, anything with batteries, I will put it in here just so I have easy access if anything goes wrong. So I'll have my vlog camera that I'm filming on. It'll be in here. My portable charger, my AirPods, my phone, anything with battery goes in here. Also all of your important stuff like your passport, wallet, just so you have easy access to it. And those are all my tips for packing only carry-on for Europe. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you Level 8 for collaborating with me. If you want to check out their luggage again, I will link down below. You can use my code SHIRLESK10 for 10% off. Safe travels. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!